Professional office and commercial cleaning in Nashville, Tennessee, S.N.M. Cleaning Service. When it comes to keeping your workplace clean, professional, and welcoming, S.N.M. Cleaning Service is Nashville's trusted choice for office and commercial cleaning. Conveniently located in the heart of Music City at 1515 Elm Hill Pike, Suite 105, Nashville, Tennessee, 37210, we proudly serve businesses throughout the Nashville area with unmatched attention to detail and customer care. With over a decade of experience, our team understands the unique needs of corporate offices, medical facilities, schools, retail spaces, and more. We don't just clean, we care about your image, your employees' health, and your client impressions. Small Blue Diamond, our commercial cleaning services include daily/weekly office cleaning, restroom sanitation, floor care, sweeping, mopping, waxing, carpet cleaning, break room/kitchen cleaning, window and glass cleaning, trash removal and supply restocking. Small Blue Diamond White Shoes S.N.M. Cleaning Service. Locally owned and operated in Nashville, Tennessee. Fully trained, insured, and background check staff. Customized cleaning plans to fit your business hours and needs. Eco-friendly cleaning products upon request. 100% satisfaction guarantee. Let S.N.M. Cleaning Service help your business shine, inside and out. Call us today at 615-596-9708, email smcleaners@aol.com, or visit www.smclean.com to request a free consultation and quote. Your image is our priority because a clean office means productive people and happy clients.